The State Archaeology Department of Art and Culture, Government of Manipur observed the 160th death anniversary of Maharaj Gambhir Singh at the Samadhi of the Maharaj located at Langthabal, Kanchipur today. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, Art and Culture Minister L. Jayanta, Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Shyam, Oinam Constituency MLA L. Radhakishore Singh and top police officials were present during the function. The historic Thong Nambonbi or Hum Bridge of Khairamban Bazar collapsed today. The bridge is a protected monument under the Archaeological Survey of India. Thong Nambonbi, located in the heart of Imphal city, was constructed by British engineers in 1854 during the reign of King Chandrakirti. Health pour in for Irengwam Sangita of Uripok Khoshnam Lekai, Imphal, after TOMTV aired an exclusive story about her life on 5th of January. Sangita and her family have been facing extreme poverty. Sangita is also a leprosy patient. Security has been beefed up in Imphal city after unknown assailants hurled a hand grenade yesterday at AG office located near CM Bungalow and Manipur Police Headquarters, but it did not explode. Imphal West Police Commando conducted such operation near Nagampal, Lainingthau, Isingchaibi area this morning. Around 130 people were verified during the operation, but no one was picked up or arrested. 16 envoys will be visiting Kashmir today, where they will meet civil society members and be briefed on the security situation there. The envoys are mostly from Latin American and African countries. Meanwhile, the European Union country envoys have conveyed to the centre that they will visit the Union territory on a separate date and insisted on meeting the prominent leaders of the region who are still under detention, including former Chief Ministers Farooq Abdullah, Omar Abdullah and Mehbooba Mufti. Women volunteers of Ningol Club Hairog today claimed that some people are trying to blot the image of the local club by levelling unfounded allegations against its members. A release from the club appealed to the concerned authority to take action against such people. Days before a court issued the death warrants against all 4 convicts in 2012 Nirbhaya Delhi gang rape case, one of the convicts today filed a curative petition to the Supreme Court. Convict Vinay Sharma's lawyer AP Singh said a curative petition in the Supreme Court seeking a stay on the death penalty. 4 convicts in the sensational 2012 Nirbhaya gang rape and murder case will be hanged on January 22nd at 7 a.m. in Tihar jail. The raging fires in Australia have burned over 12.35 million acres of land, with at least 24 people killed and more than 2,000 homes destroyed by the blazes, as per a media report. The size of the fires across the country are twice as large as the state of Maryland and bigger than several other states, including Vermont, New Hampshire, Massachusetts and New Jersey. President Donald Trump had yesterday tempered days of angry rhetoric and suggested Iran was standing down after it fired missiles at US forces in Iraq, as both sides look to defuse a crisis over the US killing of an Iranian general. According to media reports, Trump said the United States did not necessarily have to hit back after Iran's attack on military bases housing US troops in Iraq, itself an act of retaliation for the January 3 US strike that killed Iranian commander Qasim Soleimani. Manipur's Maisna Mairaba Luwang officially has become World Junior rank number 3 in under 19 single of Badminton World Federation. A yoga team today left Imphal for Uttar Pradesh to participate in the upcoming 24th National Yoga Asana Championship 2019-2020 to be held at Shame Form School, Mirzapur from January 12 to 14.